So, like I was telling you, this 392, it's 470 horsepower. It's incredible. But I put the 37s on it, and I don't want to change the gears, but I feel like I lost a little bit of that power, a little bit of torque. You think of anything I can do to get that back up where it was? Can you think of any shortcuts just to go ahead and get a little more oomph in it?
I bet you I can think of something. Let me see. I got it.
Hey.
Livernois.
Oh,
Livernois. They make over 35 horsepower to the wheels on this thing. You got custom tunes with Livernois. You got the ability to change the gear ratio. You got the ability to change the tire size, get the speedometer accurate. All that can be done with Livernois' handheld tuner. On the calibrator, download the factory tune, send it off to Andy. He'll take care of it, give it back to you. This will be a whole nother vehicle.